Alright, get ready. Today we're slamming the lid on plain, tired English and cranking things up to a whole new level. You got it, my friend. This lesson stuffed with sharp, everyday English words that'll spark up your talks and shove those drab, overused terms out the picture for good. You hyped to roll with it? Awesome. I'm Sarah, and we're about to shake things up. Here we go. First word we're unpacking, prickly. Yeah, prickly, it's got a little sting to it, doesn't it? You might have heard this slip out in a heated chat, or maybe on a TV drama, but what's it mean? Prickly is when someone's all spiky, touchy, quick to snap, like you're tiptoeing around a cactus. Could be they're annoyed, could be they're just in a mood. Either way, you're dodging thorns. Let's be honest, nobody's begging to hang with a prickly vibe. You'd rather be the smooth, easygoing one, right? But picture this. You're at a family dinner and your uncle's grumbling about the food. You say, "It's not that bad," and he fires back. What's that supposed to mean? You're like, "Whoa, he's prickly tonight. Better steer clear." That's prickly, sharp-edged, and ready to jab. That's how we tag it. Let's nail it with some examples, then I'll load you up with ways to use it. First, she's been prickly all day since the Wi-Fi crashed. Every question gets a snap. Second, don't get prickly over it. I was just kidding. No need to bite my head off. Keep it chill, alright? Third, the barista was prickly this morning. Guess the line got to her. That bristly snap? That's prickly. So, where can you whip this out? I've got a heap for you. 1. Bad moods. Your roommate's stomping around, you ask, "You okay?" And they hiss, "Leave me alone." Yup, they're prickly today. 2. Tense talks. You're joking with a friend, but they take it wrong and lash back. Ease up. No need to get prickly. 3. Work stress. Your manager's barking at everyone after a rough call. She's prickly, watch out. 4. Small stuff. You're late by 5 minutes and your partner's all, "You said you'd be here." Sorry, didn't mean to set off the prickly side. 5. Even crowds. You're at a packed store, someone bumps you and they snarl. Watch it. Geez, everyone's prickly in here. See? Prickly fits anywhere there's a sharp edge. You're ace for spotting the sting. Next word, a total flip. Buzzed. Buzzed. I love tossing you these real deal nuggets. Words you'll hear out there and can sling right back. Quick sidestep. Ever trip over your tongue in English? You've got the words in your skull, but when it's time to talk, they ghost you? No sweat. I've got the cure. I cooked up this English vocabulary bundle, a no-fuss 3-step hack to grab new words, roll them out slick, and glue them in your brain for good. It's jammed with daily vibes, fast vocab shots, and memory boosts to keep it locked. People everywhere are hooked. Your turn to shine is now. Click the link below this video for lifetime access. Snag it, and watch your English pop off. Back to buzzed. This one's been humming around, and it's a winner. Buzzed is when you're lit up, pumped, buzzing with energy, like you've got a live wire running through you. Could be from a win, could be a rush. Either way, you're electric. Some say it hits harder in big moments. Me, I'm all in. When something's got me fired up, I'm not slowing down. Just ride that wave with me. Let's pin it with some examples. First, I'm buzzed after landing that deal. Can't stop grinning. Second, let's keep this energy going. I'm buzzed from the concert. Still riding high. Third, he's buzzed about the trip, been packing since dawn. That live wire thrill? That's buzzed. Where's it land? I've got a pile for you. 1. Big wins. You ace a test you were sweating and you're bouncing. I'm buzzed, nailed it. 2. Late night hype. You're out dancing, music's blasting, and you're like, "I'm buzzed. This night's unreal." 3. Good news. Your friend calls, "I got the job," and they're vibrating. "I'm so buzzed right now." 4. Creative flow. You're painting, ideas sparking, and you're muttering, "I'm buzzed. This is gold." 5. Group buzz. You're at a game, your team scores, and the crowd's roaring. We're all buzzed. Keep it coming. That's buzzed. Your spark for when the energy's cranking.